It's really good.
What's up, everybody? Hey guys, it's Colossal Killer. I didn't realize I was going to be doing another video tonight, but I'm going to. But before I do anything else, make sure you like my videos, comment on them, because I love hearing from you guys, and subscribe so you can get notified from new videos like this one. So this one is what I'm having for dinner. It's a little late. It's like 10:01 actually, p.m. And it's not, I like to eat like before 7. Just, I'm not sure if I always have, but I like to try to eat dinner before 7. Something about the digestive system, I guess. It's supposed to help. I don't know. It's something I heard on the radio a long time ago. But anyways, so past couple days we've had some vegetable stew on the Crock-Pot. We put some fried chicken, not really a lot of the skin, but we put that in there the other day, put some gravy in it, and we decided to make pot pies. So we use these taco boat bowls. We put some dough in it, like that, the kind you unravel, and here's what it is. So without further ado, let's show you guys what this is going to look like. I'll show you a top view. I think we did pretty good. Me and Mom both did these. She was going to say that I did them by myself, but that would be a lie. All right. Ooh, look at all that. See if I can get some. Just right out of the oven, not even a minute ago. Yes, I'm wearing my Broncos hat. I don't like sports, but I've always liked the Broncos. My uncle in California loves the Broncos, so I think that's the main reason why I like them. And it just I've always liked the Broncos symbol and everything. It looked cool. So I'll probably be wearing this a little more. But without now, bite's got a little chance to cool off just a bit. It's not bad. It actually turned out really good. Take a look at the inside. Looks freaking delicious. And if it looks like my room's a little bit of a mess, it's because it is. I'm cleaning up. So, doing some major cleaning in my room, moving some stuff around from room to room. But, yeah. It's really been my day mostly. Watched a little TV, watching Avatar: The Last Airbender on Netflix. So yeah, overall it's been a pretty decent day. This is delicious. I'll ask Mom for the recipe and put it in the description. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't actually a lot, so I could probably remember most of it. And as you can notice, I'm not leaning over and everything. It's been easier sitting down from my surgery that I told you guys about. It doesn't hurt anymore when they're changing the bandage. And so yeah, I can actually sit down again, and I'm so happy about that. Tomorrow, there's a sneak peek event at my local card shop. It's going to be tomorrow and Sunday because it's a Halloween special, I guess. So they're doing it for the full weekend, which is pretty cool. I looked at the set. There's not really a whole lot I'm looking for. Maybe like a couple cards here and there. But yeah, it's pretty much what's been going on for the most part. I'm excited. I got a friend coming to visit. So you guys might see him in my next few videos or so. I'm excited. So yeah, I really am excited. I haven't seen him for a long time. So this is gonna be a fun month coming up. So what do you guys think? Does this look good? Looks like it's got green beans, corn, chicken, carrots. We even put some gravy that Mom got from Dylan's to make it nice and creamy. It actually worked out pretty good. Tell me what you think. Does this chicken pot pie look good to you guys? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'll put the recipe down from what I remember. And with that said, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you didn't watch my video from earlier today, I recommend going to check it out. It was really good. I think you guys would like it. Mom broke the scale. So if that sparks your interest, then go check it out. If not, go check it out anyway. It's a good video. So yeah, with that said, if you guys are being safe, be smart, and don't be stupid. With that said, I'll see you guys on my next video.